Aloha everybody, Tracie here.
And Tita.
And we're here with more diphthong pronunciation to kokua yaoi help you. E ho'opili mai makokau. O.
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 Oa.
Oa.
Oi.
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 O'o.
O.
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 Hanaho. O.
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 Oa.
Oa.
Oi.
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 O'o.
O.
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 Maikai. U.
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 Ua.
Ua.
Ue.
Ue.
Ui.
Ui.
Uo.
Uo.
U'u.
Uu.
Hanaho. U.
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 Ua.
Ua.
Ue.
Ue.
Ui.
Ui.
Uo.
Uo.
U'u.
Okay. We have a very important announcement. We're trying to get over 2,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers. Mahalo. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the love and support and how we got this far in subscribers.
From this time last year, we were just starting off, but the support has been tremendous. So we want to just mahalo you folks, apo, for watching our videos. And if you like it, tell your friends and family to watch it and like it and subscribe. As always, keep practicing e ho'oma'a, and when you are ready, move on to the next video.
And stay fresh.
Ahui ho.
Stay a part of this Aina and Ohana. Make sure to subscribe if you have not.
Ahui ho.
And